Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to wipe hidden personal metadata, comments, and author properties in Microsoft PowerPoint. This instantly scrubs out your hidden revision tracking logs, digital signatures, presentation comments, and real name data tags, keeping your file privacy completely locked before you email it out to clients or public webs. First, open your presentation deck inside Microsoft PowerPoint. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Ensure you are looking at the main dashboard view layout on the Info tab pane running down the left sidebar list. Move your eyes to the center section blocks and locate the large utility box headed Inspect Presentation. Click the drop-down choice button sitting directly inside it labeled Check for Issues. Then select the top menu choice explicitly labeled Inspect Document. A secondary properties selection layout box will pop up on your screen display. Make sure all the tracking asset checkboxes for comments, properties, and content data are fully checked. Drop down to the bottom right corner of this inspection panel box and click the Inspect button to start the system scanning engine. The engine will instantly list out all hidden assets found. Look next to the row headed Document Properties and Personal Information and click the button labeled Remove All. Scroll down to check for other tracking marks like comments and annotations or hidden slide content and click Remove All on those layers too if you want an absolute clean slate wipe. Click the Close button at the bottom of the toolbox panel layout and save your fresh workbook file to permanently lock out your personal metadata logs. And that's it. Your private, cleansed file distribution presentation workspace configuration is now completely optimized and operational. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.